Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Toyota RAV4. Now, changing your air filter is very inexpensive and can be done by you at home. So with the hood open, your air box is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment and is held down by these two tabs. Some of the key benefits of changing your air filter are to increase fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and to prolong your engine life by trapping debris which can damage your internal engine parts. And to change the air filter is honestly a quick maintenance item on this V6. The most obvious benefit to changing your air filter is the increased fuel efficiency you'll see after having it switched. Since it improves the airflow to your engine, your car doesn't have to work as hard, so it burns less gas. Increasing airflow to your engine can also improve the overall performance of your vehicle. If your engine is staying clean, it won't have to work as hard. Now, my old air filter wasn't all that dirty, but I'm still going to go ahead and replace it for the winter season. And for the final benefit, a clogged air filter can actually directly affect the emissions control component of your vehicle, which can lead to poor air-fuel mixture. Also, once the old air filter is removed, check for added debris in the air box and remove as needed. So given the large amount of benefits that a clean filter brings, which is improved fuel economy, overall engine performance, and reduced emissions, it should go without saying that having it replaced regularly is very advantageous. Now, in order to secure the clamps, you'll just have to make sure that the air box is seated properly. And there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to change the air filter on your Toyota RAV4. Now go have some fun and try this on your own vehicle. And make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.